Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve or explain to you guys how to resolve if you're noticing your Windows update is stuck at cleaning up. So if you notice that your screen has been stuck at cleaning up for a while, generally speaking, you just need to keep your computer turned on, give it some time. There are some updates that might take 10, 15, 20 plus minutes in order to update. It's better to just let it finish. Just because someone else's computer might get it done in 2 minutes doesn't mean that you're getting the same update or your system's hardware is as powerful or as fast as somebody else's. So just keep that in mind and just be patient, let it finish updating successfully. However, if you're still having an issue after several hours perhaps, you may just need to do a hard power off, which you can just hold down the power button on your computer and then it should shut down your system. Generally, I don't recommend those hard power offs because they can lead to their own problems like system corruption and those sort of issues. But generally speaking, most people, they just have to be patient, give it a few minutes. Everyone watches 10-second TikToks and they don't have any patience anymore. So just keep that in mind. Just please be patient, give it some time, and it should resolve itself. If you just walk away from the computer, it should update successfully and should boot back into Windows or at least get to the lock screen. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.